pointer tutorial. This is a laptop trackpad, and this is a computer mouse. The trackpad and the mouse both have a left click button and a right click button. The trackpad also has a touchpad that we use our fingers on, and the mouse has a scroll wheel. Some older models don't have a scroll wheel, but if you see one, that's what it is, and it's for scrolling. The mouse and trackpad are used to move the arrow on the screen. The right and left click buttons are used to select things on the screen. We hold our right hand on a mouse like this, our pointer finger on the left click button, and our palm resting on the body of the mouse. If you're left-handed, the settings can be changed to be able to hold the mouse in your left hand. For a trackpad, we can use one or two hands. For two hands, this picture over here, we rest our left pointer finger on the left click button and use our right hand on the touch pad or the touch part of the trackpad. For one hand, this picture here, we rest our thumb on the left click button and use our fingers on the touch part of the trackpad. Most of the time you use one finger, sometimes you use two or three. To move the arrow on the screen, we have to move the mouse or move our finger on the trackpad. Make sure the arrow or cursor is right over the thing you want to click on. In this picture, the arrow still needs to move a little bit to the left to be over the thing you want to click on. While your arrow is over an icon or text, this is called hovering. So now it's right over, and that's called hover or hovering. To select something on the screen, we can click the left button. So the left button on the mouse, the left button on the trackpad, and that clicks the thing on the screen. One click selects the icon, double click opens it. So clicking twice or double click click is a double click. On the touchpad, you can also do a two-finger click to double click. So you can either click click on the button or use two fingers like this up on the touchpad area to do a double click. On a mouse, the left button click click for double click, and that clicks twice. The last skill to learn is drag and drop, which is also called click and drag. To drag and drop, you hold down the left click while also moving the arrow with the mouse or touchpad. So you hold down the click and move it at the same time. Once you get the item on the screen where you want to drop it, you can let go of the click. Once you've learned these basics, you can do anything with the mouse or trackpad. You can right click, you can scroll, and you can highlight, and those all use the same skills that we just went over. The end.